Today we're making chicken shawarma, and this one's by viewer request. Let me show you how we do it. First, we'll start by mixing up the marinade. In a bowl, we're going to combine 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons salt, some coarse black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to give that a nice quick stir. This turns into a nice fragrant paste, and it's already smelling amazing. I have here 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Put our paste over the top and massage and coat them very evenly with our marinade. Make sure each piece is covered. For best flavor, give it at least 5 hours or even better overnight. That is looking so good. Okay, now into the fridge it goes. While that's marinating, let's make our garlic yogurt sauce. It's super simple and packed with flavor. All you need is 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 clove of crushed garlic, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin, and a splash of lemon juice. Mix it well together, and if you like it extra garlicky, go ahead and add more. It's totally up to you. Once it's blended, cover and refrigerate so those flavors can meld. Okay, our chicken has been marinating for about 12 hours, and it smells incredible. I've got the grill fired up out back, and we are ready to go. We're going to place the chicken thighs directly on the hot grill, cook them for a few minutes on each side until they're slightly charred and fully cooked through. Once they're done, take them off the grill and let them rest under some foil for a few minutes. That helps lock in all of those juices while we prep our toppings. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. Our chicken's been resting, and I've got some freshly made flatbread here. We're going to slice up the chicken into thin strips, grab ourselves a piece of flatbread, and let's build. I'm going to start with a generous smear of that garlicky yogurt sauce, which smells amazing. Then layer on the chicken, some fresh tomato slices, red onion, and a little lettuce. Go wild. Add what you want, add what you love, leave off what you don't. Look at all those colors. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so good. You get the garlic, the smokiness, the warm spices from the chicken, and the creamy yogurt sauce brings it all together with those fresh, crunchy veggies. This is Flavor City. Seriously, give this recipe a try. It is not hard to make, especially if you break it into steps. And if you want to keep things simple, totally buy the flatbread, no judgment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes just like this one. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this now, so I will see you next time.